Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Cheryl and sana mag-join kayo sa ating LS tonight, and ayan, what a beautiful life, and stay positive lang, ah, sa buhay, sa goal, and kailangan talaga ng positivity and a motivation. And to being a motivated and maybe just always as a motivated person, positive lang talaga. Kahit ang hirap-hirap na talaga ng pinagdadaanan, stay positive pa rin. And looking forward, laging may ginhawa sa hirap na pinagdadaanan, laging may The course, kumusta naman di? Thank you so much the course sa pagbisita, sa pagpunta sa aking tahanan. Ayan na, may connection na ako. So, may sponsor na ako sa Wi-Fi. So, yun. Active ulit. Thank you so much the course sa pagpunta. Much appreciated sa pag-join mo sa akin. Unexpected talaga, Sisi. So, sana yun. Akala ko nakalimutan mo na ako. Kung sabagay, ano naman, a days, a months, hindi talaga ako active kasi nga may connection problem dito sa Bicol. So now I have a connection better. So ah, ayun, nandito ulit ako sa White World. Thank you so much for my viewers and for the thumbs up and sa pag-connect, and hope you stay tuned. I love you guys. To life, beautiful life. Beautiful life. Thank you sa pagpunta. Madi the course. Madi the course. Beautiful life. So it's me. Thank you so much for my 2 million viewers. Thank you so much. So, 2 million viewers. So, sana mag-stay tuned kayo. Silent viewer, no? Beautiful life, so beautiful day. So, maulan ngayon, malamig ang panahon. So, sana yung feelings hindi din lumamig, yung panahon lang yung lalamig. Thank you so much for staying my life tonight, a night here sa Pinas. Beautiful life. Nantok. 10:07 here. So, already malapit ng mag-ano, hating gabi. Hating gabi talaga, hinati yung gabi. Thank you so much for my 1 million viewers. 1 million. So beautiful. Salamat sa sponsor sa aking lipstick. May mini red lipstick. Red lipstick yun. Sorry. Rin kaya puso mo'y akin ka rin kaya eyebags pa more. Laki na ng eyebags, kapupuyat. Ayan ang sinasabi, puyat na tulog ng tulog, puyat. Kain ng kain, payat. Ayan, ako yun. Welcome the cars and I will give you a jacket the cars. Ay, meron ka na talaga jacket dati pa. Hi at the cars. Hi at the cars. Yes, the cars. She come here unexpected. It's me, Renel. Hi, it's me, Renel. Salamat sa patamsak and thank you so much sa pagpunta. So much appreciated po. A legit friend. I will give you the jacket, Renel, and you can drop your length para hug mo din si Nourish by Music. Nourish by Music has so very legit friend, partner, and ano po, supportive po siya, very supportive po, and sana connect each other para sabay ng mga ayun. Oh, thumbs up for the host and much love. Yeah, much love talaga. Thank you so much, Nourished by Music, sa positivity and need talaga ng positivity and don't give up para sa goal talaga. Thank you so much, guys, sa pagpunta and unexpected po. Thank you so much. It's Mironel, the cars, and the Nourish Me Music, and thank you so much. Thank you so much sa pagpunta, and you're very sure. I sure. Thank you so much. It's Mironel. Salamat ng bonggang-bonggang-bongga. Thank you po. Salamat po. You can share your link. Yeah, you can share your link at Mironel. Salamat po sa pagpunta. Ayun si It's Mironel. And sana nourished by music and visit his channel, his home, and you can give him love, full love. Ayan. Share the love. We can share the love and happiness. We can reach our high goals the high level, step by step, but the right step, right step talaga. Tama, nasa tamang proseso talaga. I'm watching, it's Marinel. Yes, salamat, Nourish by Music. Yes, you're so very, Ronel, it's Marinel. Nourish by Music is so very legit and supportive. And also you are, it's Marinel. You're so Nourish by Music. It's Marinel's also good friends and legit friends, legit YouTubers. So ayun, sana ma-hug niyo yung isa't isa and connect each other, spread the love. Sure. Can you drop your link as Sir Nourish by Music? As Sir Nourish by Music. Well, Nourish by Music, we can call us Sir because we respect. We, if we call Sir, it means we respect the person. We call it Sir. So different cultures. So hope you, uh, if you don't mind. Thank you so much. It's Miranel, Elodie, it's Miranel, and Elodie, and Nourished by Music. And of course, the course. The course is also a very legit YouTubers also. Ayun, nagmamahalan na sila. Nagmamahalan na sila, nagyayakapan na sila. Ayan na. So happy to meet you, my friend. It's Mironel. Ayan. It's Mironel, Nourish by Music is also a Filipino. And hope you guys connect each other uh, para, ano, para sa ating goal. Alam mo na, sa goal natin para dito sa ating mundong ginagalawan, sa mundong ating pinasukan. And why not? We can reach the goal together. Thank you so much, Nourished by Music. It's Mironel, and of course, the course. Hope you, nandito ka pa. Ayan, thank you so much for the viewers, for my 4 million viewers, and also for the thumbs up. And thanks for guys for watching. And join my LS. Thank you so much appreciated, guys. Thank you so much. You thought I'd be right here. I just can't be you. Within this world, you're all I need to be with forevermore. Ayan, umuulan na dito kasi kumakanta na naman ako. Pasama yung panahon kasi kumakanta ako. Music lover, kasi yung music, hindi ako love ng music. Kaya na, ayan, yung tipong nagmamahal ka. A legit for your videos and supportive always. Yes, you're right. Nourished by Music. Legit fan to discover your videos. You're right. Nourished by Music. And it's Miranel. I know he's a supportive friend also. And legit, very legit. I like you. And hope you can connect each other and support. The most important, the support, give the support. Done at Nourish by Music. Ayan na, Nourish by Music, done to you. It's me, Runel. Thank you so much, it's me, Runel. And I know Nourished by Music is so very supportive friend for you and partner. Yes, so much. And it's Miranel, and hope we can connect each other and we can grow together and with Nourished by Music and stay connected, guys. And thank you so much for always stay here for a minute ago. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. The thumbs up. Thanks so much. And for watching, guys. And thank you so much for my 3 million viewers. Thank you, guys. Ayun, sana never give up kung ano man yung mundong pinasukan natin. And never, and don't give up para lang sa ating journey here. Tama lang tayo, sa tamang proseso lang, makakaya din natin 'to, maaabot din natin 'to. Push lang, i-push pa. Motivation, inspiration, ayan na. Kailangan natin ng inspiration, family, support ng family, friends, the legit friends, and madalas, yung friends natin minsan ano, mega. Kaya yung makakaintindi lang talaga sa atin yung kapwa natin, YouTubers. So, yun guys. Support, Cheryl. Yes, sure, I will still connected. Thank you so much. It's me, Runel. I remember we met. Naalala ko, nag-meet tayo sa ibang LS. So, alam ko at na pakabuti mo kaibigan. That's why you are here. And uh, I will give you, ibabalik ko yung suporta na binigay mo sa akin. And sana stay connected pa rin po. Thank you so much guys sa pagsuporta and sa pag-stay po. Oh, thank you. Nourish the music. I said thank you. I'm having a snack here. Yes. Eat a lot and nourish by music. Eat a lot. Life is beautiful like you. Ay, wow naman. Ayun na. Ayan na. Parang I feel beautiful kahit hindi naman. Alam mo na yun. May lipstick ako para magmukha naman na konting babae. Ayan, ayan. Magmukhang konting babae. May pa-red lipstick. Thank you so much guys sa pag-stay and for my 3 million viewers. Thank you so much. It's Marinelle and Nourish the Music and of course the cars. Walang anuman. At Smyrnel, walang anuman ate, full support tayo. Oo, naalala ko, dinitit ko lahat ng bananas ko sa'yo. Ay, oo nga, yung nag-graduate ako, naalala ko, yun kaya pala, naalala ko. Thank you so much, it's Smyrnel. I remember, sabi ko, parang naalala kita, parang familiar yung ano mo sa akin. So, yun pala, sabi ko, meron pa dun yung si Hogotera, yun pa rin, yun, naalala kita. Oh my God, thank you so much. Na-meet kita. You are so a good friend. And I love bananas. I love bananas. Salamat, it's Mironel, dahil isa ka rin dun sa nagpag-graduate sa akin ng grade 9. So, sayang kasi nabawasan ako. Pero, okay lang. So, lesson learned. Siguro may mali akong nagawa or kailangan pa mag-improve pa. Ayusin ang dapat ayusin. So, ano dun. Thank you so much talaga. It's Myrnel. Then, dun sa mga nagsusuporta sa akin. And salamat sa maraming Bananas na dinikit sa'kin. And I love bananas, nourished by music. I love banana too. Most ano, latundan. Oo, si Ate Dessa. Madami ding banana yung binigay sa'yo. Oo nga, naalala ko si Dessa. God. Oh my God, sorry. Nag-loading si Inday. So, ayun, naalala ko talaga si Ate Dessa. Sobrang ang dami, tapos biglang ting. Ala, oh my God, nag-more than grade 9 ako. And ikaw din po, kuya. So, talagang ano, ang galing ng ano, nung time na yun. Siguro nagulat ako ba't ano, sabi ko nga, it's okay lang na hindi ako makagraduate ng grade 9. So, it takes time naman. So, talagang na-push talaga na mapag-graduate ako noon. So, sayang lang, nabawasan lang ako. Oo nga, oo nga, pare-pareho tayo naglagasan, but still kakayanin natin para sa pangarap na maging monetize tayong lahat. Tama talaga yun. Kung ano man yung nangyayari, siguro din, kailangan natin pagdaanan yun, yung alam mo yun, 'di ba kapag gusto mong ma-reach yung goal, kailangan mo masaktan. Masakit talaga sa damdamin yung mabawasan kasi nag-ano ka nun, nag-efforts, yung puyat din, yung time, lagi nag-i-spend ka ng time para sa goal, then ang laki ng nabawas. Nakakapanghinayang na nakakalungkot talaga. Can you translate back? Oh, wait, I can translate. We talk about decrease as bananas. I'm not only experience decrease, so they also experience decrease the bananas are nourished by music. So I'm not only feel sad and feel hurt about my bananas decrease. So so it's okay. Just stay positive pa rin. Stay positive. So looking forward and moving on about the bananas decrease. Oh, we're hoping to build a fried the fried base. The fried base. We're hoping to build a friend pala, sorry. Maybe you can join my FB group. Yeah, hello, it's me, Ronel. I nourished by music, and we inviting you to join our FB group to connect each other. So if you don't mind, it's me, Ronel. By the way, it's Mernel, Nourished by Music, also with the monetized channels. So certified YouTubers. So if you don't mind, we're inviting you. Uh, you join our FB group to connect. So kung gusto mo lang din naman, bakit pa ako nagtatag ng English eh? Tagalog ka pala. Ang hirap, sorry Sorry sa aking Carabao English. Just add my social Median account in FB Romel Dane Gapasin. Okay, Ronald. We're adding you, Nourished by Music, adding you on FB, our FB group. Yes. Okay. Oh, wow, congrats at Nourished by Music. Yes, Nourished by Music is, recently, just this September, he's monetized. Ay, ngayong September lang yata niya nalaman na monetize siya. So, naalala ko lang mga last week lang yata, nakarang araw lang siya naging nag-monetize. So, ang dami ding napagdaanan na niya. Thank you, salamat. So, ang dami ding napagdaanan talagang may times na maggi-give up na talagang kailangan lang talaga ng motivation, and positive lang talaga na ano, pinasok mo 'to, kailangan ng work hard. Napaka-hardworking niya talaga and very supportive siya sa mga kaibigan niya. Ang galing-galing niya. Nagtatrabaho, multitask. Grabe. Tinutulungan niya yung mga kaibigan niya. Yun nga lang, minsan kasi yung pagtulong hindi na ibabalik din. Pero siya, kung may balik man, it's okay. At least the important, yung nagbigay ka, yung may naitulong ka. So, nakakalungkot lang din yung ibang hindi nagbibigay. So, it's okay lang talaga naman. Mas binibiyayaan yung nagbibigay kaysa binibigyan. It's better to give than to receive. I hope that I can meet also a kind friend like you in your group. Oo naman, it's Mironel. Now, na-meet mo na siya, isa siya sa masasabi ko talagang napakabuti niya. And sa'yo din, it's Mironel. Nakikita ko sa'yo na ano ka din, kagaya niya na ano din, pursue, yung may dedikasyon ka talaga na maabot yung goal mo, yung parang hardworking ka and you have a spirit to be a successful person. Nakikita ko din yun sa'yo. It's Myrna, like Nurse Play Music. Kasi, ganyan siya. It's Myrna and nakikita ko din yun sa'yo yung dedikasyon mo in ano ka sa ibang ang bait mo. Naalala ko ang bait mo nung time na yun sa'kin. Wait lang nga kasi nag-iiyak. Sorry guys, kasi ano, may umiiyak na bata kaya bawal yung umiiyak na bata. Kasi nandito ako sa bahay ng kapatid ko, yung baby girl ko umiiyak. So, kailangan ko siyang i-mute saglit. Tapos nagwo-worry ako kung oh my God, sorry guys. Ayun, ang hirap din mag ganito kasi distract. Can you share your video on our wall? When you share on yung FB name ko ay still my YT channel, same as Cheryl pareho din ng FB, Instagram, TikTok, may TikTok din ako. Follow niyo po ako sa TikTok ko, Cheryl ayan. Nakikita niyo din yung ano ko doon, kakalogan ko yung emoticon ko. I can when you accept my request, it's Marinel, I can add you to the group. Thanks for accepting my request. Ayan na. Thank you so much. It's me, Ronel. So, nag-join ka na sa aming FB group and sana stay connected po and makatulong. It's been a long time. Ayan. Salamat po. Thank you so much for my 3 million viewers and thank you so much sa pag-stay and thank you guys. Salamat po. Ayan, gabi na kasi dito kaya maulan. Tahimik pero iba yung katahimikan. Medyo nakakatakot kasi baka makaistorbo. Ayun nga, nakaistorbo nga may nagising na bata. Naghahanap ako ng place na pwedeng iba tawag doon, na pwedeng mag-LS ng maayos nakitira lang kasi ako kaya pagtiyagaan. Pagtiyagaan muna habang wala pa. So ayun, tiyaga-tiyaga lang talaga. Kahit saan pwede. Ayan. Thank you so much guys for stay and stay connecting. And salamat po sa aking 3 million viewers and thank you guys. I'm still watching you. I'm still watching you. Thank you Nourishment Music and thank you sa partner. Sobrang supportive talaga. Ayun. Ikaw pa rin palang hanap-hanap pa. I'm still watching you. Ayun. Oh, nantok na ako. Nantok na ako. Thank you so much guys for my 2 million viewers and also for the thumbs up and thank you guys. Thank you so much. Lalaki na lang ito, ang buhay at pag-ibig ko. Kapanitaran. Sorry, naantok ako. Naantok talaga ako. Sabi ko magpupuyat ako, hindi talaga, antukin talaga ako. Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you sa pag-stay sa manonood ko diyan. Salamat po. Salamat po ng madami. Thank you, guys. It's been a long road journey. Eh, bakit napindot ko yun? Ayan, ano ba yan? Paglaruan, napindot ko. I love you, boy. It's you and I. Found a love for me. 'Cause darling, just dive right in and found my way. Oh, I found the night beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, fighting against all odds. I want you in my baby, yeah. Dancing in the dark with you between my eyes. Never ending past, listening to every time. I was forever me. Hiding, darling, perfect tonight. Oh, nandok ako. I found a man beautiful and sweet. I never know you were someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, fighting against all odds. I know it'll be alright. Darling, this whole night, there's gonna be a moment. I'm gonna fit you in mine. Baby, I'm dancing like... Wala. Nakanta na lang. Ikaw na pala, nagmamay-ari na. Ano ba yun? Pag-isarin na lang, huwag mag-alala at okay lang ako. Kaya't humihiling ako kay Bathala na sana'y hindi ka na Sana lang mo siya. Ano ba yun? Malungkot? Malungkot na kanta. Sad song. Sabi na lang, huwag mag-alala at okey lang ako. Kaya't ang hiling ko kay bathala. Sana hindi ka na mag-isa. Sana na siya. I'm still watching. Dude, naantok na ako be. Naniwala ako dahil sa'yo. Thank you so much for my viewers and for the thumbs up. Thank you guys sa pag-stay. Ayun, and so much appreciated sa pag-stay and for the support. And of course, Nourish by Music. And thank you so much. And also friends joining me here at the cars. It's me now. I know, and my family, my sisters, and of course, kahit na minsan hindi nakakaintindi yung pinasok kong mundo, yung journey, and sana soon, soon, magets din nila. Thank you so much guys. Ikaw pa rin ang harap-harap-harapa at pinipanggap ang iyong lakas. Di magbabago, ikaw ang hanap-hanap ko. Lawak na ng aking noo. Yun na yun pala. Nantok na ako talaga. Oh, sorry. Oh, baby, I love you. I dream of you. Mahal kita. Oo, naantok na ako. Hey, thank you so much guys sa pag-stay for my 2 million 2 million viewers. Yes. Thank you guys. Thanks so much. Sobrang salamat. Mercy Bukul. Mercy Bukul. Bukul. True. True. I never thought I would be right here. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Oh, oh, oh. Listen, I found love for me. Starting this time for them, finally. Love, but I'm making so. And it'll be alright this time. Stop just hold my hand. They're gonna be alright. I'm gonna hit you. Close another time. You're here between my heart. Wrap around the clouds. Listen to our beauty. I whisper out of me. Thank you so much sa pag-stay. And for the thumbs up, and thank you so much guys for stay sa pag-stay mo sa akin. Salamat po. Salamat po. Thank you. Thank you so much. Huh? Really? 189? Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Alas, salamat sa nag-ano sa akin. Sa nag-love bug. Salamat sa nag-ano sa akin. Nag-subscribe. Thanks for my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. For my 889. Sa konting kembot na lang. Ayan. Konting. It's a little bit. More efforts pa. Push. Need to push more. Konting kembot pa. Ay my God. Wish I reach 1K subscribers soon. Bananas. I wish normal, just normal ano. You are my reason I survive. Oh. Thank you so much sa pag-stay mo sa'kin. Salamat ng sobra, salamat talaga. So much in your heart, so good enough. Ikaw pa rin kailan, hanap-hanap, hanap-hanap. Oh, ay, naantok na. I feel sleepy. Mm. Oh. Sorry. Ah, Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Anong sasabihin ko. Kasi ikaw lang kausap ko, eh. Hala, iba naman dito, ikaw yung natira. You are the only one talaga. You are the only one. Bye-bye. Thank you so much guys sa pag-join. I love you guys.